And to end our news bulletin for tonight, Matawai Resort was packed last Saturday as groups turned up to prop up the cause of local non-government organisation Omatafua. The curtain raiser to the night's event was performed by a breaching pregnant humpback whale that was sighted off the balcony at Matawai. Over 10 groups performed songs, dances, short dramas, and some a mixture of everything. The research team also provided some feedback to the public on some of the findings over the past few weeks and reminded them of the significance of whales and their existence. On a more fun note, the Make a Whale costume competition had a few entries, but it was a 5-year-old Des Jr. Soniholo won over the hearts of the judges with his outfit made of coconut leaves creatively woven into the shape of a whale, and second placing went to Ricardo Williams. Much to the surprise of performers, there were also small prizes in recognition for the best skit, which went to the group from Waitupua Amasele, best song, Ocean's 8, and door spot prizes. The group would like to thank all who assisted in making the concert a reality and supporting the worthy cause. Over $1,000 was raised, and this will go towards the ongoing work of Omatafua. Omatafua are still calling on interested members of the public to assist with administration and running of the non-government organisation. To go to Foki e uina whakalapalapa ki tolo ke lata ia moe awhatata he taung huali me te mamatu whine he manga ko umotu a tu loto he whahita punei. Pia Foki e tau whakalofa whinautu ki he mga whaua. Se wahenga pahitongia, ha koe tau lota mamoko ki he whahita kamoli ke lata ia moe matua whakalehele whakawhikau ko fellow pahitongia. And that's our news bulletin for tonight, but also don't forget this coming Thursday is the Tuapa Women's Weaving competition or show. Make sure you head up north to Tuapa. And that is all we have for you tonight. Good night.